Thank you. Speaking of falling, we're going to talk about the stock market here in just a minute. Steve Buden is back for Financial Focus this Monday. Steve, good to see you.
Good morning.
What's going on? It was a roller coaster last week.
Yeah, last week was a record in terms of fluctuations in the market, and I wouldn't be surprised if you see that continue. At least for today, it's August 31st. It's the end of a month, so you're going to see what we call window dressing. A lot of money managers buying and selling things to make their portfolios look good. But you can see here, the market actually opened down close to 200, came back close to even, and now it's back down again. So again, volatility is the term. It's how much up and down do we see. And we're entering a historically volatile time anyway. August and September traditionally are some bad months. So not uncommon, but the problem you're having here is the price of oil last week, $38 a barrel. Today it's bumped up to $48. Okay. So almost a 30% gain in 1 week. This is not normal.
And because of that, everyone is just wondering what's going to happen next, right? As you mentioned, volatility.
Right.
Also, something we're looking forward to is the jobs report and what that might say.
Right, and this is a big report. This is coming out Friday. Gives us a view of the strength of the employment in our economy. And the Federal Reserve looks at this very carefully to see if this economy is strong enough for them to raise interest rates. And we've been talking for months about if and when the Fed will do it. The jobs report can really sway them either way. The concern I have about this is if it's what everybody expects, the Fed will have some cover here to say, well, we're not really sure what we're going to do, and create more uncertainty in the market, which is why you're seeing this volatility to begin with.
That's already started because of the uncertainty with the interest rate, correct?
That's correct,
okay.
Yes. Yep.
One more thing we want to talk about today on Financial Focus, something that may be a warning to everyone playing the lottery out there, that you may want to wait till you actually have check in hand.
Yes, this is poor guy out of Illinois, and actually that's $250K should be that point there. Guy goes into a lottery store, rubs off, scratches off the ticket, wins $250,000. The state of Illinois can't pay him because they don't have a budget in place. So, it goes into, I guess, this overall discontent with what's happening now, why certain political candidates are doing well.
Yeah.
These legislatures can't get their act together. So here's a guy who, legitimately won a lottery and can't get paid.
I can't imagine.
So play these lotteries at your own risk. Now, if you win, make sure you get the check in hand and cash it before you do anything.
No kidding. I can't imagine winning the lottery. What are the luck and odds that you would win, and then they can't pay you? Ooh, that's a tough one.
I know, but just to show you the sign of the times, I guess.
C'est la vie.
Yep.
Steve, thank you.
Sure.
Good to see you. Midday continues. Stay with us. We'll be right back.